So, you've submitted a trademark application. Nice job. But what you got back was a compliance report instead of an acceptance. Now don't panic. We'll talk about what to do next. Every new trademark has to comply with the Trademark Act 2002 and Trademark Regulations 2003, and it needs to be unique. When you receive a compliance report, it will list the reasons why it couldn't be accepted right away. No worries, we'll just need to tweak a few things and resubmit. Okay, let's start with where your compliance report is. Log into the IPONZ website and head to your inbox. Then look for the task named Respond to TM Compliance Report. Your trademark case number will be right next to it. Click on the task to open the task. In the task, you'll find a copy of your compliance report. It will outline the objections raised and provide some information on how you could overcome them or respond. When you've considered how you want to respond, you can write a letter and upload it as an objection response document by clicking on the Add button and browsing your computer for the document. Depending on the objections, there may be suggestions listed on the screen to help you address them. These might be things like amending the trademark for corrections, editing your goods and services specification, or requesting an extension of time. In your response, explain the steps you've taken to overcome the objection. When you're ready, submit your response and it'll be sent to the examiner for re-examination. You should hear back within 15 working days. Once the examiner has taken another look, you'll either get a notice of acceptance or another compliance report. If you need a bit of help to respond, you can always reach out to the IPONZ Contact Centre or check out the practice guidelines on their website. It may also help to find an intellectual property professional for advice tailored to your specific situation. Still have questions? The Intellectual Property Office of New Zealand is open between 8:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. For less urgent matters, you can head to the Contact Us page on the IPONZ website. We should be in touch within 7 working days. The Contact Us page also has a common queries section, so be sure to check this out in case it addresses your question or concern.